We are taking R.D. Sharma solution, class 10 maths, chapter 9, exercise 9.6. The sum of first Q terms of an AP is 162. The ratio of 6 term to its 13 term is 1:2. Find the first and 15 term of an AP. So the first, this is not Q, this is actually 9 terms. So sum of first 9 terms is 162. The ratio of 6 term to the 13 term. So A6 by A13 is given by 1/2. A6 is what? A plus 5D. And A13 is what? It is A plus 12D. 2 can be taken here. So this will be 2A plus 10D equal to A plus 12D. Bring this one here and this one here. So 2A minus A is A and 12D minus 10D is 2D. So A is 2D. A is 2D. Now we'll use this expression. Sum of first 9 terms is 162. So first 9 terms is n by 2, that is 9 by 2, 2A. Now in place of 2A we can write A as 2D. So 2A, that is 2D, I am writing 2A as 2D, plus n minus 1, that is 8, and 9 minus 1 is 8, into D equal to 162. It is given. So this is 2 by 9, this is 2 to the 4, 4D, and this is 8D. So we get 12D here, right? So this becomes D equal to 162 by 2, 12 and 9. So this is effectively you are going to get 3 only. So D is 3, and now A was what? A was 2D. So A equal to 2 into 3, that is 6. So A is 6 and D is 3. Find the first and 15 term. So first term is 6, right? What is the 15 term? A plus 14D. That is 6 plus 14 into 3, D, which is going to be 48. If the 10th term of an AP is 21 and the sum of its first 10 terms is 120, find the nth term. So if the 10th term of an AP is 21, that is A plus 9D is given as 21. So we can have an expression here, and sum of first 10 terms, that is S10, which is 10 by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D, that is 2A plus n minus 1, 9 into D. This is given as 120. Now in place of A I am writing 21 minus 9D, right? 21 minus 9D. So this is equal to 120. So you get into 2 by 10. You get 24 here. Now this is 2 into 21. So 42 minus 9 to the 18, 18D plus 9D. So 42. This is minus 18D plus 9, so this will be minus 9D. So bring this here and this here. 42 minus 24 equal to 9D. So what do you get? D will be equal to, this D will be equal to, this is going to be 18. So 18 equal to 9D. D is going to be 2. D is 2 and A will be what? 21 minus 9 into D. 21 minus 9 into 2, 21 minus 18, which is going to be 3. A is 3 and this one is this one. This one is D. D and A is known. Now what is the nth term? N will be A plus n minus 1 into D. So 3 plus n minus 1 into D. 3 plus 2n minus 2. This is going to be 5 minus 2n. 3 plus n minus 1 into D. Let me see. 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, 1 minus 2n. So this is going to be 3 plus n minus 1. So this is 3 plus 2n minus 2. 2n minus 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 plus 2n. This is the answer. So 1 plus 2n it is, right? This is plus. The sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 63. That is S7 is 63. Sum of its next 7 term is 161. That is S next 7. So I cannot write it as 14 because the question is from here to here 1 to 7 this sum is 63. Then from 60 this 7 to 14 means 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 terms. Then 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 7 to 14, right? This is given as 161. So S7 is 63 and S14 is 161, right? S7 is 63. So let us use the and if you see S14 is 161 from here to here 7 to 15. This is not S14. I cannot write it like this. S7 to 14 is 161. So now what will be S1 from 14 means if I have to write S14, that means I have to add these two, right? 63 plus 161. So it will be 224. So S14 is 224 and S7 is 63. So let us use the formula now. S7 is 63. So we have 7 by 2. 2a plus 7 minus 1, that is 6d equal to 63. This is our first equation. So do you get 7 9s are 63, 9 2s are 18. So 2a plus 6d equal to 9 2s are 18. So divide both sides by 2. So you get a plus 3d equal to 9. This is our first equation. A plus, this is our first equation. Now let us come to the second equation. Second equation is what? See, S14 is 224. So S14, that is 14 by 2, 2a plus 14 minus 1 is 13d equal to 224, right? So you can just take this here 2 by 14. So 2 7s are 14 and 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 14. So 2a plus 13d, 2a plus 13d equal to 32. Now you just keep it like this. I change it to a plus 3d, but I'm not getting anything here. So let it be 2a plus 6d equal to 18. So 2a plus 6d equal to 18. Now subtract it. So 13 minus 6 is 7d and 32 minus 18, that is 24. 7d, this is going to be 32 minus 18. So 12, 8, 4 and you get 3, 14. You get 14 here. So d becomes 14 by 2, that is 14 by 7, that is 2. So d is 2 and you can keep it in any of the equations. Say this one or the previous one, you get a equal to 3. I'm saying you can use this one, a plus 3d equal to 9. So a plus 3d equal to 9. You just got d equal to 2. So a plus 3 into 2 equal to 9. A will be equal to 9 minus 6. So a is 3, right? So in order to find out the 28th term, because the question is asking about the 28th term, so a28 will be a plus 27d. A is 3, 27 into 2, that is this is going to 54, 54 plus 3 is 57. So a28 is 57. The sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 182. If its 4th and 17th terms are in the ratio 1:5, find the AP. So 4th and 17th term, that is A4 by A17 is 1:5. A4 is what? 5A4 equal to A17. 5. A4 is what? A plus 3D. What is A17? A plus 16D. So you get 5A plus 15D equal to A plus 16D. So bring this here, means 5A minus A is 4A, and for 16D, this 16D minus 15D is D. So D is equal to 4A is what you get from the first expression, this one. Now the sum of first 7 terms is 182. So S7 is 182, which is given by n by 2, which is 7 by 2. So 7 by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. equal to 182. 182 is equal to 7 by 2. 2a plus 7 minus 1 is 6. In place of d, I am writing 4a. So what do you get? This 2a is 2a, and this is 6 4s are 24. 24a. 24 plus 2 is 26. So what do you get? 182 into 2 by 7. I'm taking 2 here, 7 here, and this is 26. So I'm bringing it down. A. So a you will get as a will be 2 here, right? A will be 2. Yeah, a will be 2 here, right? So if you want to do, you can just see this is 26. So this is 13. 13 into 7. 7 is a 21, 1, 2 carry hand, 7, 7, 7, 8, 9, and 91 into 2 is 182. So A you get 2. Now A is 2. What will be D? D will be 4 into 2. So D will be 8. A is known and D is known. So you can easily find out the AP. So first one is 2, add 8, 10, add 8 like this. In an AP, the sum of first 10 terms is minus 150. And sum of its next 10 term is minus 550. Find the AP. So what is given here is sum of first 10 terms. So S10 is given. This we can do by certain methods. The first, we have already seen a method. So S10 is given as minus 150. Right? And S sum of its next term. So from here to here 1 to 10 term, it is minus 150. And from 10 to 20, it is minus 550. So what you can do here is you can say S10 is minus 150 and S20 as minus 550 plus minus 150. So minus 550 plus minus 150. So what do you get? Minus 0, 5, 5, 10, 700. Minus 700 you get. So you can just use this expression and try to solve, right, for A and D. That is, this will be S10 will be 10 by 2. 2a plus 9d equal to minus 150. So you get 2a plus 9d equal to, this is going to be 15 into 2 is 30. This is first equation. The second equation will be as 20, that is 20 by 2, 2a plus 19d will be equal to minus 700. So do you get 2 by 20? I'm taking it here. So what do you get? 2 10s are 20. This is minus 70. So 2a plus 19d go to minus 70. And what do you have here? This is 2a plus 9d equal to minus 30. Subtract it. 19d minus d is 10d. And this is minus 30. Minus 70 minus of minus 30. Minus 70 minus of minus 30. It is going to be minus 40. So d is going to be minus 4. Let us see. D is going to be minus 4. And put it in any of the equation. This one or this one. Right? So 2a plus 9 into minus 4 is minus 30. 2a is, this is minus 30 and this is minus 36. So minus 30 plus this goes here 36. So 2a is minus 6. A will be minus 2 3 is 6. A is minus 3. So A is your one bit is going to be minus 3. I have to see if A. See, this is 36 minus 30 is 6, right? So it will be 2 3s are 6. A will be plus 3. So A is 3 and D is minus 4. Now you can easily find out the AP. You start with 3 and just add minus 4. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Then add minus 4 to minus 1. So minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5 like this. In an AP, the first term is 2. So A is given as 2. The last term is 29. L or A nth term is given as 29. And the sum of the terms is 155. So Sn is, that is n by 2. We can directly use A and L, right? A and L is already given, so you can directly use 2 plus 29 as Sn equal to n by 2, A plus L is 155. So you can easily find out n from here, right? So it will be, n will be equal to 155 into 2 This goes up, and 2 plus 29, 31 comes here. So when you solve it, n is going to be 10, because this is 5 times and 5 2s are 10. N is 10. Find the common difference. So last term is what? 29. So 29 is a plus n minus 1 into d, that is a. A is given 2 plus n minus 1, that is 10 minus 1, 9 into d. D is not known. So what do you get? 29 minus 2 is 27, divided by 9 is d. 9 3s are 27. So d is 3. Find the number of terms of the AP, this one. If 1 is added to each term of this AP, then find the sum of all terms of the AP thus obtained. So here, find the numbers of terms here. So number of terms, if 1 is added to each of the term, find the sum. So let us find out first the number of terms. So number of terms, because A is given here and D is also known, minus 9 minus of minus 12. So it is going to be minus 9 plus 12, it is going to be 3. So A and D is known, the nth term is also known. So 21 will be A plus n minus 1 into D, that is minus 12 plus n minus 1 into 3. So this goes here, 21 plus 12 is what? It is 33. Now you divide by 3, this goes here, so 3 remains, n minus 1, this is 11 times. So n minus 1 equal to 11, n will be equal to 12. So n is known, n is known. Now if 1 is added to each term of this AP, that means if I can add this, and how many terms are there? 12. So 12 terms are there, I am adding 1, 1, 1 to each. So 12 into 1. So 12 will be added to the sum of this. I hope you got the idea. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 is added to all of these, that is 12 numbers are there, and 12 we are adding 1, 1, 1. So 12 plus 12 is added to this AP. So if I find the sum of this one and add 12, that will also be okay. That is, the sum of this one is S12. S12 is 12 by 2, A plus L, that is minus 12 plus 21. What do you get? 2 6 are 12, 6, and 12 minus 21 minus 12 is 9. Right, 6 9 are 54. Now 54 is what we get. But 1 1 1 is added, so 12 has to be added. If you add 12, that is going to be 66. 66 will be the sum of AP of all the numbers which are produced when 1 is added to each of these numbers. So this is the final result. The sum of first n terms of an AP is this one. Find the nth term of this AP. So in this type of question, what we do, we find the nth term by the sum of nth term minus sum of n minus 1 term. So see, so Sn is what? 3n square plus 6n. So An will be equal to, Sn is 3n square plus 6n, and we subtract the Sn minus 1. So I'll write n minus 1 in this place, 3 n minus 1 whole square plus 6 into n minus 1. So this is how we get the nth term. That is, An will be equal to 3n square plus 6n, and this we are going to get, this I am writing here, 3 n minus 1 whole square. So n square plus 1 minus 2n. So you get 3n square plus 3 minus 6n. So 3n square plus 3 minus 6n. What do you get here? 6n minus 1. Now let me open it. 3n square plus 6n minus 3n square minus 3 plus 6n minus 6n plus 1. So 6n gets cancelled, 3n square get cancelled, you have 6n, and then you have 6n, and what all term you have? This is 3 and this is 1. See, this gets cancelled, and 6n gets cancelled, 6n is remaining. Now you have this one is 6n minus 1, so you get 6n. So 6 minus 3 is what? 3. So 6n plus 3 is the nth term of this equation. Similarly, we will do like this. The sum of n terms is this one, 5n minus n square. We have to find the nth term of an AP. So this, you can write this an will be Sn minus Sn minus 1. This is one term, one way. We just saw. So how to do it in another way? We know that the sum, which is Sn, is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, right? Which is given like this, 5n minus n square. So the first term will be a, because the sum of n terms, that is, sum of n terms is 5n minus n square. So if we take these terms, and sum of first term will be always one term, right? So S1 is A only. That is 5 into 1 minus 1 square. So 5 minus 1, that is 4. So A is 4. A is 4. Now what is the sum of two terms, that is this term and this term? It is going to be, let us put 2 here. 5 into 2 minus 2 square, that is 5 to the 10 minus 4, which is going to be 6. So this is the sum of two terms, but we have to find second term. So we have to subtract this from this in order to get the second term. So this is A1, this is the first term, A. And in order to find the second term will be 6 minus 4, that is 2. So this is the first term and this is the second term, right? So we have first term and second term. Now this is the first term and this is the second term. Now D will be second term minus A1, A2 minus A1, that is A2 minus A1. So 2 minus 4, you get minus 2. So D is known, A is known. D is known, A is known. So when you have A and D, you can find out AN. AN is what? A plus n minus 1 into D. A is known, 4 plus n minus 1 into D. What is D? We just found out it to be minus 2. Right? This is minus 2. So 4 minus 2n plus 2, which is essentially equal to 6 minus 2n, is AN. The sum of first n terms on AP is this one. Find the 25th term of this AP. So we have already seen how to do it in two ways. So either way you can do it. We'll take the first method. So always the nth term is equal to sum of n terms minus sum of n minus 1 term. So A25 will be equal to sum of 25th term minus sum of 24th term, right? So what is S? Because Sn is given as 3n square plus 4n. So we can write S25 as 3 into 25 whole square plus 4 into 25 and minus S24 is what? 3 into 24 whole square minus 4 into 24 plus. So if you solve it, this is the solution in front of you. This is going to come as 151. So AN would be equal to 151. The sum of first n terms of an AP is this one. If the mth term is 168, find the value of m. Also find the 20th term of this AP. So same thing we are going to do. Same thing we are going to apply. That is the nth term or mth term is what? Sm minus Sm minus 1. You can use m or n either way, because it doesn't matter. So this is Sn, so 5n square plus 3n minus 5n plus 1, n minus 1 whole square plus 3 into n minus 1. Okay, so let me just solve this one. 5 into n minus 1 whole square. So n square plus 1 minus 2n. What do you get? 5n square plus 5 minus 2n. So 5n square plus 3n minus 5n square plus 5 minus 5n square minus 5 minus, this is going to be 5 into 2, 10n, and this is plus 3n minus 3. Right, let us open it. 5n square plus 3n minus 5n square minus 5 plus 10n. I'm changing the sign, 3n plus 3. So do you get this gets cancelled, right? And we have this 10n, 3n get cancelled. So you have 10n and 3 minus 5 is minus 2. So 10n minus 2 is the mth or n or an term. So in order to find am, it will be 10m minus 2, right? And this is given as the nth term is given as 168. So it is 168. So it will be 10m will be equal to 168 plus 2, that is 170, and m will be equal to 170 by 10, that is 70. So m is 17, right? In order to find this 20th term, what you can do? A20 will be equal to sum of 20th term minus sum of 19th term. So just put here this 5 into 20 square plus 3 into 20 minus 5 into 19 square plus 3 into 19. So this is what you have to do. You can just solve it and you get 198. If the sum of first n terms of an AP is this one, find the first term and what is the sum of the first two terms. What is the second term? Similarly, find the third and the 10th and the nth term. So we have these the sum of first n terms. So Sn is equal to 4n minus n square. What is the first term? What is the first term? So just take S1, because if you have number of terms, sum of first term will be always first term. So 4 into 1 minus 1 square, that is 4 minus 1. So 3. So first term, that is A is 3. A is 3. How to find out the second term? So let us take S2. 4 into 2 minus 2 square, that is 4 to the 8 minus 2 to the 4, that is 4. Now this is sum of second term. So you have to subtract this with this to get the second one. That is, this is the first one, say A1. A2 can only be found out by subtracting this by this, because this is sum of 3 and the second term. So second term will be, this is 1. 4 minus 3, right? 4 minus 3 you have to do, then only you get the second term. So you have first term, second term. And when you have first term and second term, you can find out D. That is second term minus first term, 1 minus 3. So D is known and A is also known. So you have A and D. You can do everything now. So now you can directly use the formula, or rather A and D is there, so you can do that also. Sum of first two terms. What is the sum of first two terms? We have already known. What is the second term? Already known. Minus this 1. So find the third term, 10th term and nth term. So what is the third term? A3 will be A plus 2D. What is the 10th term? A10 will be A plus 9D. What is nth term? An will be A plus n minus 1 into D. Now you just place A as 3, right? A as 3 plus 2 into D is what? Minus 2. Here also 3 plus 9 into minus 2. And here also 3 plus n minus 1 into minus 2. So these are the values you will get. These are the values. But the only thing, see, this you can easily find out. These are only the value you have to find out. But main thing is you can do it by another method also. A3 is S3 minus S2, as I just said, that An will always be equal to Sn minus 1. Similarly, A10 will be S10 minus S9 and An will be Sn minus Sn minus 1. So this way also you will get the same result. So this is how you get it. If the sum of first n terms of an AP is this one, find its nth term. Hence write the 20th term. So what we do here is, because it is given that the sum of first n term is given. So first term will be what? See, addition of these terms is Sn. What is the first term? Sum of first term will be always first term. So A will be, that is first term will be always, you put n equal to 1, half 3 into 1 square plus 7 into 1. So you get half 3 plus 7. So you get 10 by 2, that is 5. So first term is 5. Now sum of first two terms will be, S2 will be what? You just put 2 here. So half 3 into 2 square plus 7 into 2. You get half 3, 2 to the 4, 4 is a 12 plus 7 is a 14. So you get 26. 26 by 2 is 13. Now this is sum of first two terms, but for first term is 5. So what will be the second term? You have to subtract these two. So A1 is 5, what will be A2? 13 minus 5, that is going to be 8. So A and D are known. You can always find 20th term. You can easily find A20 will be equal to A plus 19D. So A is known to you, that is 5 plus 19 into D. So 20th term, 19 into D, and D is what? Because first term is known, which is first term is 5. The second term is also known, 13 minus 5, that is 8. So 8 minus 5 is 3. Put it here. You get the term, that is 5 plus 19 into 3. 19 into 3, 9 is a 27, 7 to carry hand, 3 ones are 3, 4, 5 and plus 5. So you get 62. 62 as the A20th term. This is 19 here. In an AP, the sum of first n terms is this one. Find the 25th term. So exactly same thing you have to do, but the other method can be, that is A25 you have to find out. So A25 can be equal to S25 minus S24. So S25 will be what? Put 25 here. 3 into 25 whole square by 2 plus 13 by 2 into 25. And now 24 here minus 3 into 24 whole square by 2 plus 13 by 2 into 24. So this you have to solve. You get it as 10. This 1020 as the term, right? Now this 25th term or 24th term, whichever term you want to find, this is 25th term. So this is how you get, no, this one is not term, this is the term, 80. You just have to solve it, you get 80. Find the sum of all natural numbers between 1 and 100 which are divisible by 3. So 1 and 100, which is the first number divisible by 3? It is 3. Which is the number which is just previous to 100 and divisible by 3? That is 99. So you have a series here. First term is also known, last term is also known. So just in order to find the n term, you can just use nth term, which is 99. Is a plus, that is 3 plus n minus 1 into d. D is what? Because it's divisible by 3, so you can use 3. 99 minus 3 is 96, and you divide by 3 plus 1 is n. So this is, n is going to come as this. There is sum also being asked. So this is 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6, 32 plus 1 is 33, n is 33. So sum of 33 term is also asked. So sum of 33 term will be n by 2, 2a, which is 2 into this 3. You have to use this, okay? 2a plus 33 minus 1 is 32 into d. What is d? 3. So this is, you have to solve, you get 1683. Find the sum of all odd numbers between 0 and 50 and 100 and 200. So sum of all odd numbers. See, every odd number, that is if you have 1, 3, 5. So odd numbers, they differ by 2. So common difference will be always 2. 0 to 50, I'll just do it. I hope that you'll be able to do this one. So 0 to 50, what is the first odd number here? 1. 1 will be the first odd number, and what is the odd number here? 50 itself. Okay, 50 it's, no, 50 is even. 49, just below this, So 1 and 49 is our series. So what is A? A is 1 and L, that is last term, is 49. Sum will be what? N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So first we have to find how many terms are there. For that, this last term is known. So 49 is a plus, that is 1 plus n minus 1 into d. D is what? 2. So you get 48 and you have 2, n minus 1, this is 24, 1 here, 25. N is 25. So now you can just have to find out the sum of 25 terms. So 25 by 2, 2a, that is a is 1, plus now 25 is known, so 24, 25 minus 1 is 4 into d. D is what? 2. So this you have to find. The solution is in front of you, it will be 625. 120 also you can find out. So these were the question and answer of this exercise, but we are left with one more part of this. Till then, thank you so much. Take care of yourself.